What's up, slime lovers? And today we're gonna be making, not
Slime.
making slime. Are you wanna make slime, or
Yeah.
do you wanna just like?
We gonna first tell y'all about us, and then we can make slime. Cause that's what the channel's called.
And if y'all wanna see our slime, y'all just have to
we'll
comment.
do a slime collection and stuff like that.
Do anything.
But yeah. So
Let's get
started.
yeah.
Okay. So you wanna make slime, or tell them about us first?
So we can tell them about us first.
Okay, hold on, let me fix it. Okay, so you can go first. We're only going to give them like a short.
Alright, so about me, I'm 10.
I'm 10.
And
We're best friends.
Yes.
We have.
Yes.
We're best friends. You want me to tell them about
We're about to go to the 5th grade.
Oh, yes. And then after that, we're going to be in middle school. Oh, my God. I hope me and Sienna go to the same music. Oh, my name's Zayla. Her name's Sienna.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead and tell them. Or you want me to tell them about me first?
You did.
Okay, so about me is I'm going to the 5th grade. Sienna's my only best friend. I do have close friends, but not like best friends. Like my close friends, I'm not really going to have to like say names, but they're like my close friends. They're my best friends. So I knew Sienna since like 2nd grade. We became best friends either in 2nd or 3rd grade, I think. Because I remember 2nd grade, that was our first sleepover.
Yeah.
2nd grade, but I don't think we was like best friends then. I don't know, but we've been best friends. I knew her since 2nd grade. I don't know when we became best friends, but I know her whole name. Do you know my whole name? Well, I don't want to tell y'all that, but we're close friends. We want to like know each other like when we grow up too. Like we want to become YouTubers for some reason. I don't know why. It just feels fun to me, but I love slime. I don't know. My birthday is July 7th. Her birthday is May 29th. I know my best friend's birthday, but that's all I gotta say, I guess. I don't know what else.
Yeah, and I had to say the same thing as her, so
Yeah.
get right into the video.
Yeah.
I can't plot on this raggedy phone, so.
Okay, so let's go ahead.
This is not make stuff slime. This is made slime already.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're gonna show them. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry about how messy it is. It's all slime on it, so. There you go.
Okay, so wait, we need something to like, unless you just don't want to take it out and play with it. What do you want to do? Like, you want to take something and like play with it?
Do y'all like? I don't know. Do you want to play with it?
Mhm.
Well, I have to get something.
Okay. So guys, I guess I'll just.
We better just be using this trash can because I don't have nothing.
Yeah.
Well, we can use that, but I don't want to get slime on that because that's what I'm gonna hang my purses on.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna be using, and it's okay if y'all see the slime. Like I said, we love slime, and tell them when we was like wondering like how to make slime. Tell them, y'all, it was so funny. You want to tell them what we did, So cause I don't have my phone right now, but how it happened was did I tell you about it, or we like found out or something?
I don't know. Did we find out?
I think we found out or something. But we was always like we looked up how to make slime without, cause we didn't have glue and stuff.
And then and everybody that made slime, like some people, they actually didn't they didn't do it right or something.
Yeah.
Or maybe we wasn't doing it right because theirs turned out perfect. Or maybe when they cut off the camera, they probably did something extra to it.
Mm-hmm. But this is the blue slime. Comment what y'all want us to do.
Last time I think we called that either blueberry, raspberry, something.
Yeah, something like that. But so y'all, I was at her house, and we kept on like trying to look up how to make slime. We even asked her mama, like can we look up like something on your phone to try to look up how to make slime. Y'all, we haven't not found how to make slime, but then when we had got slime kits from Christmas and all that stuff, we knew we started becoming slime masters because we like knew how to make slime really, really, really good.
But like only in like slime packages things. So we
Yeah.
we didn't really know how to make it like regular.
But yeah.
And then one time we just tried to put like some like stuff that somebody else would put in there. What is
Yeah.
it called again?
You remember they put gang in it, but we didn't not know y'all.
We used contact
Yeah,
solution.
we used
too.
contact solution. So this is the first slime.
Wishes.
You
We
wanna
called
just-
it blueberry last time, but we don't know what y'all want to call it. So if y'all want to change it or anything, y'all
Comment
can
down
just
below.
comment down below
Leave
and
a
say
comment.
the blue one. If I got any other blue ones, then say the first blue one, the
Yeah,
second blue one.
Mhm. So you want to just like take turns, like showing them? So.
Oh yeah, and it's a few of them that I cannot. That's just something that I made slime in. This one, I can't take this one out because if I take it out, it's still like glue. I made it out of the Nickelodeon kind, but it's not. It's still like glue. But when you take it out and start like playing with it, it's different. But it's
Yeah, I wasn't here when
but
she made this.
but once you do it though, you can't put it back in because it's just so sticky.
Why is it like this?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Like, I let my cousin help me do it because it was his first time, well, third maybe.
Well, it's another slime. This is like a pretty clear slime, I guess I'll say. Next
that
slime,
one,
this one's
we could
so
take it out, but it's really sticky and it's hard to get back
Hold
into.
up. Let's do this one at the end. So, isn't this one of the big ones? Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yeah, so let me do this one. I made this one. I put
This
foundation.
paint is open,
This one used to
girl.
be green. Well, I don't care. As long as you don't
Hopefully
let
it's
it.
dried out.
Okay, so this one used to be green because we made it out of.
The glow in the dark.
Yeah, but I had put.
You got foam beads in there?
No, it's not foam beads. It's like some stuff that I put in there.
Them are foam beads.
Well, those might be foam beads. I do not know.
Where did you get it from?
Out of like something like, I don't know, like what is it called? Cause I just like I saw somebody else put like it in their slime, and I saw it as like.
But yeah, you guys, we made this out of glow in the dark.
Yeah, but then I had added foundation to it.
It made it a I said butter. It made it a butter. See?
Ain't it cute?
It is cute. I love it. It looks like a cute.
Okay, so now this one, y'all. Wait.
Hold up, put it back up. Let's put this one.
Zilla was like, whoa.
Okay, so this one's a big one.
And that one is so old. So if it feel weird or
Guys,
anything,
we had, cause she had a gallon of glue. Oh my god, you guys. This is a big one.
yeah,
but we had a
and
gallon
I don't
of
know
glue.
what's that yellow stuff. I think it's getting really old. So
Yeah, so we might have to, I don't know. But guys, this is like a big slime. We had a gallon of glue. We mixed up like slimes and they made this big
it's like no one like scratchy like her.
Yeah. You remember we was doing these bubbles?
Mama, since you come help me, Mama jumped me too.
that back in before. Okay, so where is... Oopsie, sorry. What are you doing? Okay, y'all, sorry. But we had to do something. But yeah, that was that slime. Okay, next slime.
I'll take it out.
We're doing a video. Next slime is let's see. Next slime is this slime.
I can no longer breathe.
And some of these slimes, like this one, I wasn't here when she made.
But those they didn't. I wouldn't rate the Nickelodeon slime a 5 out of 10.
Why was wrong with it?
Like, look at it. It's breaking like it breaks a lot.
So yeah, she's like, cause she got this. She was like doing like a review of it, and I guess
Wait,
it
what
didn't.
is this one?
I guess it really didn't go out.
This is that slime, babe. Whoa, this is not the right kind of slime.
So yeah, you guys don't like get it mostly because it's like a bad slime.
Feel this, girl. Y'all, I tell you, we have not played with slime. I haven't, at least all my slimes. I have not played with in so long, so they all.
But you guys, I wouldn't get this slime kit if I was y'all. But
I got like,
come on, if y'all want to try
I still got this thing in here that came from the Nickelodeon thing.
It's a chalk.
Yeah.
The chalk paint.
It's like it's fillable. So
did you already use it?
Once.
But yeah, you guys, I wouldn't really do
this is one of them. The neon.
Can I feel it?
That I got from the store. That one, how it felt like it. That's how it felt when I first got it.
Wow. This is like a good. I like this one better than a Nickelodeon though. It's like a gooey texture, I guess. I don't know. It's really sticky.
Here at the top.
Can you give me the container? But this is like a hot pink, I guess. But
and I got some Play-Dohs, y'all. But they like little cupcake Play-Dohs, but I don't play with them. So.
Oh my god, I'm trying to get this off my hands.
Like, here's another Nickelodeon.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Nickelodeon slime, but y'all, would I rate this
I'm done with
as?
this. But y'all, I would get these. I would get this slime. Okay, so next one.
This one.
You feel it? This one's better than the other one though.
Yeah.
Cause it's more.
I like the color too.
Yeah, it's like a baby.
But this one is pretty too though. It's just not better than this one.
Yeah. But like I said, the Nickelodeon, I'll give this probably like a 3 or a 4.
Oh, this is some slime, but
okay, where's
y'all?
Where's the?
Whoa,
container?
girl!
It didn't get on me. Where's the container?
I'm not if. Oh, right here, girl. I have
I was
it.
gonna say, but we probably gonna like mix these up and we can have more.
I'm gonna throw this one away.
Cause I got glues in my book bag, so we can make some.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this one away. Feel this.
Let me see. Oh my lord. Where did this one come from?
I made it that one time.
Okay, but
sorry, y'all. This is gonna be a bad video, though.
You got some slime activator?
A little bit. Or let's say some.
Okay, so what is this? Play-Doh. But this is Play-Doh. Oh, this is the chalk paint. Got some no more color.
No more.
Okay, so this Play-Doh too.
Oh my God! Look at this, girl.
Okay. Slime got on the thing, girl.
Yeah.
Is this Play-Doh?
Yep, that's Play-Doh.
But yeah, you guys, the Play-Doh
So
we're just going to skip. But you want to make slime in this video too? Because I got some slime stuff if you want. So yeah, that's really like all the.
But if we have to add that game stuff, whatever we.
No, we don't have to add it. Oh, this is the one I've been waiting for. I'm scared, girl.
Don't take all of it out.
How do you open this thing?
Hold on. I gotta use it.
But yeah, guys, that's the one I've been waiting for. I did not bring my gallon of glue. I just brought my like other glue.
It's so hard to open. Look how she's looking. I'm sorry,
Oh my
y'all.
God.
That one is so hard to open
It
for some
is.
reason.
It's like in a, I don't know. Ugh. How did you get this open?
I don't know, but it's halfway open.
But you guys, if we don't get that one open, we're still gonna make slime though. But the best slimes I really love is really like the homemade slimes besides the neon one. I really like the neon one. These, they're slime. They're just like, I don't know. I guess I let the slime activator, I don't know. But, yeah.
Y'all, we cannot open this one for some reason. I don't know.
So I guess we're not gonna be able to do it. But that's okay. So, you wanna go ahead and make slime?
Yeah, we can.
So I'm gonna show you
Let me
how.
go. Wait, but we have containers though. Do we have containers?
Only one. Unless you wanna mix these up. But this one's more.
I don't want to mix that one up with the other one. Just because like that's gonna probably mess it up.
Which ones has the most? What do you want to mix this one up with another one?
You already mixed some up. I don't know. Yeah, we can mix it up with another one like this one, or I don't know. We can throw one of my Play-Dohs away.
Okay, and that can be container. Okay, but yeah, so we're until like these, like we don't.
Oh yeah, thank you, Grandma, for giving me these, but I'm finna throw them away though, cause I will not play with Play-Doh no more. Can
Okay.
you hand me the trash can, please? Whoa. This thing still got Play-Doh in it though.
Okay. So I'm gonna show y'all this, and I have like glitter glue, stuff like that. That's it. You got it all? Okay. So we're gonna put these up, and this probably gonna be a long video. Sorry, my feet was in the way, but this probably gonna be a long video.
Well, we only making one like slime right now because we get bored easily on other days.
And we
got
don't want
like
to use
one
it
more
all.
day to
Because I'm
go.
not gonna use all the glue because then we ain't gonna have no. Because I have tons in there, but at the same time we might want to make the same slime. So you know how that goes.
He's saying 2 nights too, girl.
Yeah, girl. But yeah,
But somebody really
who
like
now laters are them?
those limes.
Can I have some?
Yeah, but most of them are nasty. That's cause like they ain't like the now laters, they're the chewy ones. And I didn't notice.
Can you
that.
bring them in the kitchen
Yeah.
when we get done with the video? Okay. Sorry guys, but let's put this to the side. We'll deal with that later. Okay, so
Whoa.
you can help me. What?
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was saying that somebody had did something of Cardi B. They said this is Cardi B having her baby. Oh my gosh, the baby has a big head. That's what they said. Like
Carmen and Corey gonna have. See, so you guys, I got.
Ooh, Carmen did not play. Whoa.
Yeah,
I'm
this
like,
is
what the world,
activated.
girl?
Okay. I'm with that.
But Carmen really loves Corey. Like, I'm not saying that I didn't know that before, but y'all, for real, like, listen, when Dre had said Corey bald head, Carmen said, "Do not talk about that boy," and she slapped him. And she will not play about her baby neither. Y'all
Okay,
know
so I have a clip. Oh, go ahead and finish.
y'all know what she said? She said, "My baby ain't gonna be bald head." I don't know
It's
how
gonna
she
have a
gonna
lot
let
of
her
hair.
baby hair. I don't know how she gonna
Because
let her.
you saw Corey old picture. He had like, oh my
Oh
god.
yeah, he was. I don't know. Do he
But
look
is he
better
that
like
good
that? I think he kind of do look better than that.
Yeah, he was ugly.
He was.
Okay,
Now he ugly, but
So-
I'm still a fan though. I ain't gonna.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna
So
lie.
you want to use that container and I'll use this one. I mean that.
You
Yeah.
can't let my mama see that container. You know why?
Why?
Because last time you remember what she said, y'all don't be using my
Oh
containers.
yeah. But that was after. So you want to pick what kind of glue you want to use. You want to use this blue one, glow in the dark, the glitter glue, this one, or the
I
clear.
don't know. Do I want to use? Okay,
I want to use clear.
I'll use. What color you want me to use? This one?
I don't care.
I just use this one.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna do that much though, cause I only got. Whoa, this yours.
Uh,
I'm not gonna do that much, cause I don't want to waste it.
okay, so we can go ahead. Hold on. You need to get in the camera, girl. This is not my channel.
Okay, we need something like we ain't ready like yet, cause we don't
We
got
need
nothing to
mixing
start
stick.
with
Mixing
and
sticks are
stuff.
really bad. bottom. I saw 2 of them.
Here, do it like
What?
this.
Okay.
Well, it can't see your face.
It's okay. I can see them off.
All y'all need to see is the slime making right
Oh
now.
my god. Hold on. I saw. Oh, there we go. Oopsie.
Okay. Okay, so we got our missing sticks. What we gonna make it out of? This is all we need?
Oh.
Oh, that. Okay, I just forgot that.
I got activated.
Okay, so glue, mixing stick,
and stay float or kind of solution baking soda or Tide or whatever.
and she gonna have to pour that because me.
Okay, so
Wait,
I'll
do
tell
I
you
just
when to
do it,
stop.
take it out like this?
I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
So you won't.
I'm so scared. You do it.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
No, because I don't want to waste it.
But where's that Play-Doh container?
Oh, that's right. Right here. But where's the top?
We're just
though?
gonna
Oh, I
put it
found
like
the top.
to,
Let me
like-
put the top on it. So
I'm gonna try to make that amount because like I have a.
Alright, that's enough.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Go ahead. So if y'all can
So
see, that's
now what we
hers.
gotta do? Just mix it.
If you want to mix your glue, I don't know why y'all like mixing your glue. I mean,
Sometimes
I would make clear because I'm gonna let it sit overnight. It might turn like that clear slime. That's what I want to do.
Alright, now what I do?
Oh, hold up. I'm gonna wait for now. I'm trying to make the same amount of yours.
Girl, that look like going in together
Well,
except
yeah.
that blue thing. Sorry about my carpet, y'all. We've been making slime all like every time we make slime, it be getting messy too.
Okay.
So like
I think that's like it's so clear now.
okay.
Okay, so clear glue comes out easily. Okay, so after that, you're gonna add your activator, which is Stay Flow. You said you want me to do it.
Yeah, cause what if I pour too much? Me, whenever I pour, sometimes I be going over the amount, like.
I'm scared.
Cause like the way that
It's
this stuff
this
come
is
out.
This is like a small container, cause like I have like a oh, it's already getting air bubbles.
Pour like a gallon of milk.
Girl, no. Okay.
Oh, that's how it come out.
No, it comes. I'm not trying to overactivate mine. So yours is thick, so yours might need more than mine because yours is so thick.
Okay, that's cool.
That's enough. Oh my god.
Look, y'all.
Yeah, that was a lot. Oh, never mind. That wasn't a lot. Okay, just mix.
Whoa, that
It's
see,
sticky.
yes. At times you have to take it out and play with it. But a lot of
Okay,
y'all,
I haven't mixed mine up yet. We haven't mixed ours up.
well,
Okay, here's mine.
yeah, mixing mine.
Oh
Sorry.
my god, it's so clear.
Whoa, that was gonna go out the thing.
It's so clear.
Y'all, look, it's like it's
Mine is so clear.
so
Let me
thick.
see yours. It's salty. It's so, yeah, yours needs some more activated just as mine. Mine's like yours.
Let me start throwing fast.
Yeah, yours need just a little bit. Mine need like a little bit too. Let me see yours,
Yeah, cause it's almost there. Just keep. Whoa.
oh my god, that wasn't a lot.
I don't know.
Okay, that was enough.
Poop your booty.
Okay, yeah, yours might need a little bit more, but we'll do it. Yeah, yours gonna need some more, just like mine. Stay Float is like only $2.94 or 97 cents, so it's like $3 with some tax.
I'm over here acting like I'm fixing up food for my kid. Boy,
It's
was that a
salty.
story, y'all? I had my mom, my sister, like I was looking, like every time,
It's
I
salty.
always
It's
like whenever
salty.
every time we get in the store, I always want to look at baby stuff. Like y'all don't understand how much I need a baby, but
Yeah, like
I want a baby. But let me tell you, when we get off the camera, I gotta tell you something. Okay, but because somebody might look at it and she might feel some type of way. So
who? Oh, okay. And y'all, it's none of y'all business. Oh yeah, okay.
okay, this one
Let me see
look
yours.
like it's ready. At least it's getting like more like whoa, girl, your elbow though. Girl, you look at your feet.
Hold on. Okay, yours gonna need like just like a little. Oh my god.
Oh, that was too.
Oh yeah, yours gonna need like a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead. Do you want to mix yours up? I'm gonna let you mix yours up.
Boy, I cannot wait till we get off this camera because I really need like
And y'all,
to tell Zayla this like for real.
it is none of y'all concern or whatever. If y'all wondering, don't be commenting or saying something wrong. Oh my god.
Okay, this one I think is ready. Like you see,
I
like
don't think it's ready.
you don't think it's ready? Oh my god!
I told you, I know how slow. That's a live activator. Oh my god, y'all.
That might not be good.
That might not be good. You
That
right.
may not be good. Like that may
Okay.
not be not yours.
Oh, never mind. Hold on. Oh, yep, that is good. I had it. Oh my god, that
But
was
this
good. Hey,
This one cute though.
It is cute. Let me see.
Sorry, I got some flour on my hand, but
Oh my god, I keep on forgetting it's 2 bowls. It's saucy. It's something.
where's my other phone? Oh, we're
Yeah.
using it right now.
She got 2 phones also.
One of them finna go in the trash. Oh
Okay.
my gosh. Okay.
Okay, go ahead and mix it.
Alright.
Okay, so look at my clear glue, y'all. It is
See
clear.
me? I be stirring up it.
Oh.
Kiki, do you love me? And you know Tay Tay ready for his kid.
Oh my god, this is like
Y'all
so-
know why I say that? Boy, like every time the first thing he be looking at is baby clothes. Like you know Tay Tay ready. Well, I call him Tay Tay just because Jazz called him that too. I don't know why though, because I'm not his girlfriend and I do not want to be his girlfriend.
He ugly to me for some reason. Is it ready?
But he funny though. He got a good personality.
Yeah. I always like. He got a lot of hair. And I will love-
Joel.
Oh my god, I would like to date him. He's fine.
Yeah, but by the way that it looks, they ain't gonna never break up. Well, I can't say that.
Lauren got a.
For real?
No, not
But
not
at
a fake, not a
times-
fake,
but
but
at
not a
times-
fake, but a
Yeah.
what you, like
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, but like at times she know how to twerk sometimes.
She pretty, yeah.
Yeah, she's really pretty. The baby Camilla is so pretty, but how is
And they
but
finna have another.
they finna have
baby.
another baby
That's dope.
and-
Let me see yours might be really ready. Like,
But but I don't know about that
Yeah,
though,
yours
because
is-
they
I'm
said
gonna
Camilla
need yours,
only
okay?
8 months now. Okay, but that's okay. But
she
still,
is not no 8 months.
That's what they said.
8 months. My
Wait,
baby
wait.
sister is 8 months.
Wait, no, hold up.
Yeah, yours might need one.
Yeah, I ain't touching that right now. It's alright. I ain't. Don't get on carpet though.
Okay, can you pour some of that stuff in my hand? Sienna, now. This is not borax. Oh my god. Oh my god, Sienna, don't. Okay, take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Stop laughing, Sienna. You gonna overact, yo. Sienna, what are you doing? Come on.
Go for it a
Oh
lot.
my god, no. Okay.
Why you did?
That's Sienna.
Why you have it in your hand anyway?
It's called kneading.
Have fun.
Okay, pour some more in my hand.
Y'all, this is.
I'm sorry, I took it way far. Okay.
Okay, y'all. Let me just be.
Oh, okay, that
I
was
didn't see that coming, y'all.
Okay, oh well. It's getting off my hands. That's all that matters. Because I still got to need mine.
Those bubbles, though.
Okay. Yours might be ready.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, pour just a little bit more activated. Okay. I'm going to let yours get back in the bowl. I'm going to let
You
yours
saw
get
me,
back. Okay.
I was about to.
Hold on. I hate your slime now. I don't hate it, but like I'm mad. I should have did mine first. Okay, I'm gonna just like let yours like just get on.
It's coming right there. Have fun.
Down. You doing that? I'm not doing that.
Now that just.
Yeah, yours up. It's not gonna ruin it. Stay flow don't ruin your slime. if you add a lot of activator, you just have to make sure you save it in time. Hold this for me, please. Yeah, finally is. Okay. Yours is fine, Sienna. Don't worry. Okay, you still have to go in there. We'll save your spot, okay?
Look at her looking at her like, what the hell?
Okay, I know, I'm crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna add. Yeah, it's no more. Yeah, it's cool.
Like me personally, I know I want kids so bad, but like me personally, I'm gonna wait till like one of my kids at least get to like a toddler. Like
I'm not gonna wait till they just after probably I said 2 months after they got.
Cause I want them to actually.
Okay, yours is ready. Here you go.
Cause I want them to actually
touch it. Go ahead. It's not sticky, Sienna.
Oh. But I got this in my hand.
Only thing you gotta do is take it off the stick.
No, I'm talking about the stick.
Put it over there and play with it.
Y'all, mine done.
Mine not. I don't know what's wrong. I hope I get it. Oh my god, that was a lot. Is that a bead? Oh my god, do you see that bubble? Oh gross. Whoa. It's gonna have to go now. Okay, mine's done. Yep, mine's done. Oh my god, I think it's probably not done. Oh yeah, it's done. It's done. So y'all do not see me kneading it. I'm kneading it right now. Uh-oh, your mom's gonna come in and she's gonna be like, what are y'all doing? Oh man.
Making slime.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to get the rest of this glue out because it's gonna need some more activator because it's getting there. But
a lot of y'all probably praying that can they not stop the video, like say what they was gonna say a little bit earlier than they start the video.
Yeah, but we're
gonna make sure we stop the video before we say it.
Oh my god, Sienna. Can I see your slime?
I love mine. Are you finna add that to mine? Jeez.
Okay.
For some reason I look like I got a unibrow on my.
Okay, let me see your slime. Is yours? Oh my god, let me see your slime, Sienna. Hurry up. I need it all. Sorry. I need to get this off my hand so I can add some more activator. Sorry, your slime is already done. Okay. You may proceed. So I'm gonna get this up, y'all. I am a mess.
Pick it up.
Baby, watch how you move. Yeah, I get the right from my shoes. Something. I don't even know the song. Y'all, pick it up. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, y'all. I made a little slime.
Whoa!
I made a little itsy bitsy slime.
It's coming.
I think I'm gonna stay like that. They're trying to. Okay, y'all. Y'all remember why do this girl still use an activator when it is done? If y'all was me, I wouldn't ask that question because y'all now it's done. Bam, baby. Ooh, bam, baby. Babe. Ooh, baby. Ooh, the slime. It's slime.
Oh my god, y'all alright?
Yes,
Yeah.
we're okay.
Okay, just checking on y'all.
Mama, make sure you pick me an icy. We got popsicles. I'm gonna go get me one.
What time?
Like a whole pack. But most of it has
we
been
just
gone.
mix
But
this
we have two.
Can we just mix that up?
Yeah, okay. But you have to put it in the thing. Here, I'm gonna go give it a popsicle, y'all.
Okay.
Oh.
Because when
Well,
I
I'm
get
gonna wait
done,
on you, I guess.
yeah, so we can both end this video together, and then you can tell me what you're talking about. And y'all can't see my face.
Oh, wait, this is yours, right?
No. Them are yours mixing sticks. Can you open it?
Whoa, I'm gonna put it in your bag.
I do not want to taste Play-Doh. Okay, so while I put this slime in here, she's gonna just put the container. Get your mixer. Okay, just put this in here. I'm gonna let this dry first, so I have to take it all out. I'm just gonna put this in your bag. Remember me, I have to get it back.
No, I have to do that. Where's the top to this?
Right here.
Oh my gosh.
Because I want that dry. Remember that I have to get my container back. Okay.
Okay, what container?
That one.
Oh, that's your container? Oh, yeah, you took that one home. Here, watch this.
My Lord, hallelujah. Oh, thank the Lord. Okay. Oh my god, y'all. We love slime and we're mixed at slime. That's what slime is, I guess. This is like a pain in the butt.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna end this video.
I hope y'all enjoyed.
Alright, peace out.
Slime lovers.
Yeah, slime lovers, y'all.
Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel.
And like and comment on this video and all the rest of our videos and tell us what you want us to do in the comment section down below.
Yep. We're out.